Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Web Tutorials Hub, where you will learn how to make money online, how to set up your own website, how to do so many other things. All right, but here in this tutorial we're going to be guiding you on how you can create an enticing landing page for your CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the rest of them. All right, so we're going to be using a free tool here. We're not going to be using Builder or any of those paid tools. All right, so we're going to be using Google Sites. Okay, you might be familiar with that site already, you might be familiar with it. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you are new to the channel. All right, and don't forget to drop a comment under this video in case you are confused about anything. If you drop a comment, we're going to be attending to you immediately. All right, so like I said, this channel is about make money online and so many other WordPress issues. All right, so we're going to be taking a very simple sample here. All right, so I'm going to be drafting out something and how you should handle your landing pages. All right, I know you can build a landing page on WordPress or maybe other content management platform or system. All right, so here we're going to be drafting out this. You draft it out. We're going to be seeing how it should look like. All right, you're going to be seeing how it should look like with an enticing landing page. You will be able to sell out your product easily. Okay, in case you're promoting any offers or any affiliate offers, you'll be able to sell them. You must have your header, the body, and the footer. All right, and the header must be something related to what you're promoting, and you should be a good copywriter. In case you're not a good copywriter, I will urge you to get one, pay for it, since you're going to be making a whole lot of money in the long run. Okay, so paying for it is not a bad idea. All right, so here is the footer, here is the header, and the body is in between. Okay, that's how your your landing page should look like. All right, that's how it should look like, and the header should tell everything about your landing page. Okay, and lest I forget, you're going to be using Canva to create an enticing image. All right, so you'll be getting some screenshots. If it is image, if you're going to be creating images, you get it from Canva. Okay, you get it from Canva, and you have screenshots about customers, what like customers testimonials, all of those stuffs. You're going to be seeing how you can add it. You see all of the buttons. All right, I may not be speaking to the end of the video, at least to make everything fast for you so that you won't waste your time listening to boring talks. All right, so from this steps, we flip over to Canva, and you see that of Canva. From the Canva, we'll move over. All right, we're going to be moving over to we're going to be moving over to the Google site I talked about. All right, so here is the Canva. You're going to be using any of the templates to work on it depending on what you're going to be promoting on. We're going to be promoting. Okay, if you're an Amazon associate or maybe ClickBank, JVR, and the like of them. All right, even Warrior Plus or maybe Expert Naira. Okay, if you are promoting their offers, or even hosting companies affiliates, all right, you're going to be using this same method to create a friendly landing page. So here in this aspect of creating an image for your landing page, I'm going to be using this as an example, though I won't be using this image. But in case you want to create any image that has to do with money, you have the money here, everything money here. All right, money, image, and all of those stuff. But you're not going to be using this portrait. All right, I will advise you use portrait where it needed, and you use a landscape where it also needed. All right, so just follow the procedure and let's head over to the matters. Now let's head over to sites.google.com. Click on the plus sign, which is blank. All right, you're going to be clicking on the plus sign. Tap on the plus sign and let's get started. Let's get started and see how it looks like. You're going to be seeing the title. This is the page title. You can change this title to any format you want. All right, but for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to be using something like gift card. In this tutorial, we're going to be using gift card. So let's just keep watching. All right, so I want to save you the boring talk And as you keep watching, in case you're confused about anything, don't forget to drop a comment under this video. All right, so please don't forget to drop a comment, you subscribe to our channel, you share with your friends, and you like the video. All right, so let's get down to business. Let's go, let's keep doing it. Here is just an example, right? And you can make yours look more beautiful than this. So after doing everything, you should add your footer. All right, you should add your footer. Is quite important. Like if you've landed on any land page before, all right, created for affiliate purpose or CPA, you should understand what I'm trying to say. But in case you don't know, with this, you can create an enticing and simple landing page for your CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, and you can use this to make a whole lot of money on the online space with free or paid traffic. All right, with free or paid traffic, whichever works for you is still fine. All right, it's still fine. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you're new to the channel. And like I said, following the procedure, that's just to subscribe. Please subscribe.